Hello everyone, this is Victor from Law Forming Machinery. This one is our automatic line 7 to make the straight square duct. And here is the grooving. We have 11 rollers and notch punching. And here is the C forming and the middle hole. This is the T-type flange forming machine. So this one is the reverse direction auto line. Normally the decoiler is over there. And we can also customize the language like the Russian or the Spanish here. Normally our language is Chinese and English.